This video chart presentation is Stellar Pharmaceuticals, Inc., brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Stellar is a fully reporting pink sheet company, which gives it an OTCQB listing on OTC markets. It's a U.S. technical stock to watch this week for us. See basically a triple bottom pattern. Even though this last dip didn't go quite as low, first two times 37.38 cents. This time one sharp drop to 35, but basically held the 42-cent mark. It's gone up. Made itself a nice bullish flag at this point. Put together 3 pretty decent days heading into last weekend. So we're going to keep this on radar for a breakout of the flag and potentially testing the old highs. A lot of volatility, of course, in the chart, making big swings. Nice uptrend in the MACD. You can see it starts to get a little toppy when it reaches this level, the MACD does. But going back about a year ago, it actually went a little bit higher. Point being, there's still plenty of room for the MACD to continue to show strength of trend. Similarly with the PPO, ADX moving upward, moving into a strong trend. Those 3 straight days of buying took the MFI, pushed it up nice and high. A lot of buying pressure in the play. That's certainly shown as well in this accumulation distribution. Was making a sharp move, making higher highs, shaking money flow well in the green. Buying pressure is clearly outweighing selling pressure. CCI pulled back after the recent move, now starting to make their curl. CCI followers will be looking for that break of 100 as the buy signal. Full still, up near 80. Bullish momentum in the play. And the tricks, making its break and holding above 0. Again, that's a bullish look. A lot of that's to be expected. The stock made a stellar move right through here, 44.5 cents, all the way up to 62. Of course, that shows a lot of strength in the RSI, and importantly, holding over top of 50 and heading towards the break of 70, which momentum traders call the power zone. So the indicators look good, showing a lot of bullishness. The flag I'm referencing comes right through here. There's the flag pole. Basically, right there's the retracement part, the consolidation. Just get that out of the way, because what I'll be looking for now is to see if this can push through 62 cents, take out that old resistance point. Now, it certainly has the momentum coming into it, holding over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. And this pink line, the 10-day moving average, it's pushed back through that. Momentum traders a lot of times will use that 10-day as a buy and sell point. A break below it would be a sell. A break back through it would be the buy. It would be the continuation of the momentum, so to speak. So basically, all things are looking bullish. What I'd look for on a pullback, though, if it wanted to dip back down, I'd be looking right around this 54-cent area. I'd want to see it hold support there unquestionably, because there's not a lot in sight. Again, there's some more down here at 50, where it picks up the 50-day moving average and a little bit of static support. But as far as this move goes over the last couple weeks, there's some bottom support right there at 54 cents, and that would be a key spot for me. 103,000 shares traded is an increase over basic levels outside of the days of this huge spikes and big moves. But this is a pretty thinly traded stock, so clearly it can move on little buying or selling pressure with just a little bit of volume. So I would definitely be looking for volume to stay strong. I'd want to see an increase over these days to take out that resistance point. Now beyond that, I'd be looking up around 70 cents. It's a nice climb from where it is, adding about 9 cents a share. It's about 15% from where it closed, just shy of 61, even though it says 61. You can tell that this is probably 60.5. Beyond that, I'd be looking for it to take out these old 52-week highs at 75 cents. Nice looking technical chart though. Last 2 times it dipped back down to these levels, made significant climbs up to around 70 cents. Nice example of a flag pattern. Now I'd just be watching for the support levels to hold on the bottom side, and a take out of the resistance levels with an increase in volume. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the SLXCF chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.